Submitting a tax return without expert help can be daunting and sometimes more costly than you'd expect. Whether you're self-employed, a landlord, or have additional income streams, many people miss out on legitimate reliefs and allowances simply because they don't know they exist. At MHC & Co. Chartered Accountants, we professionally submit tax returns from just £240. But in this video, we'll walk you through some of the most overlooked ways to save on your tax bill. Mileage allowance. If you use your personal car for work, you can claim 45 pence per mile for the first 10,000 miles. And you don't need to keep fuel receipts when using the flat rate method. Trading allowance. Earn up to £1,000 tax-free from side hustles or freelance work, even if it's just occasional income from platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or eBay. Rent a room relief. If you rent out a furnished room in your home, you can earn up to £7,500 a year, completely tax-free. Work-related expenses, things like professional subscriptions, uniforms, tools, and even a portion of your home office costs may be deductible. Business travel. If your work involves travel, you may be able to claim expenses for accommodation, meals, and even laundry while you're away. Marriage allowance. If you're married or in a civil partnership, and one of you earns less than the personal allowance threshold, you could transfer unused allowance to the higher earner, potentially saving over £250 a year. Charity donations. Donating to a registered charity as a higher rate taxpayer, you can claim back the difference between your rate and basic rate. Pension contributions. Paying into a private pension. Higher rate taxpayers are eligible for additional tax relief. All of these are completely legal ways to reduce your tax bill, yet they're often overlooked by people doing it themselves. That's why we always say, filing your own return without expert guidance might save on fees, but it can cost you in missed savings. At MHC & Co., we'll make sure your return is submitted correctly, completely, and professionally from just £240. The January 31st deadline is coming fast, so whether you're going it alone or want some peace of mind, don't leave it too late. If you'd like our help, get in touch today, and let's get your tax return done the right way.